In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Notion account. If you're ready to permanently remove your Notion account, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Keep in mind that deleting an account is a permanent action, so make sure you no longer need the content inside your workspace before you confirm the deletion. To begin, go to your Notion page and make sure you're logged into the account you want to remove. Once you're inside Notion, look toward the area where your workspace is shown. Next, click on your space. This will open the workspace menu and give you access to the settings connected to that account. If you use more than one workspace, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct one before moving forward, since this helps avoid deleting the wrong account or workspace by mistake. After that, click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where account and workspace options are managed. The settings panel is where Notion places most of the controls for your profile, billing, and account preferences. Once you're in settings, click on your account name at the very top of the left-hand column. This is an important step because the delete option is located inside your personal account section, not just the general workspace settings. If you don't see it right away, look carefully at the top of the sidebar. From there, click on Delete My Account. At this point, Notion will usually show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to continue. This is normal, since account deletion is irreversible. Next, type in your email to confirm. Be sure to enter the same email address connected to the Notion account you are deleting. This step is there to verify that you're the account owner and to prevent accidental deletion. Finally, click on Permanently Delete Account and One Workspace. Once you select this option, your Notion account and the associated workspace shown in the prompt will be permanently deleted. Read the confirmation text carefully before clicking, just to make sure everything matches what you intend to remove. And that's it. That's how to delete your Notion account. If you're following along, take your time with the final confirmation because once it's done, the deletion cannot be undone.